Okay, sorry about that. So I put the ring on here. Obviously, that's your choice if you want to put that on, but I highly recommend it because you want the doll to move. And we'll plug this in. Okay. And before I actually start getting this all together, I like to check on my magnet to make sure that we haven't used it. Nope, looks good. Looks real good. Because now would be the time I would want to fix it, not after I have putting it all together. Okay, so here comes the fun part. Alright, this is the body that comes that you get with this doll. And I've said before I don't understand why it's the kind with the gathered front and the gathered bottom. To me this is like, you know, a really nice body and you're not going to see it. I mean, I guess if you decided you didn't want to use the torso, you could use it, but so, alright. Not 110% prepared, but first thing you're going to want to do is have your zip ties, because the last thing you want to deal with right now is these strings. So I'm going to take these strings out. I save these for when I do plates on dolls, and I'll use these strings to tie plates on. So you get rid of those. Replace it with zip ties, whichever kind of zip ties you want to use. These are the kind that I'm using. Got this off of eBay. Alright, so we just feed this through. I don't know cards go down. Alright, I'll deal with it in a little bit, honey. Alright, so I'm going to go through here and go ahead and get all the ties in place. Since I ran into the seam, I just back it up, and I kind of like get that seam and push it down to try to make that opening bigger, so it'll slide through and then come across the other seam, which is where the gathering in the chest is. That will be Rebecca in the background. You know my videos always have to have some background to it. So I'm messing around with this one. I just come to a trouble spot. I can tell what's happening. The zip tie is going across the back instead of going down the middle. There we go. Gotta wiggle in there a little bit. Okay. So now this goes inside the body. You want to pull the zip ties out the appropriate holes. Kind of line everything up. What makes this rather difficult is the fact that it is full limb. So, have it in position. Alright, so I'm going to give you an idea how you can already tell when you're at this point you're going to have difficulty, because to try to get to these, you're pulling and you get them attached, and when you pull here you notice that this already drops down, and so when you get up here you're going to be pulling to get these out, to fix them in, but you're going to see that. So alright, so you have your body inside of the torso. I'm going to attach the legs, and then I'm going to fill the stomach. This is the way I do it. Alright, so we got this beautiful leg here, which is actually going to start closest to you. So here's our zip ties. Let's get them out, and I'm going to actually get them started. Now, since this is full limbed, you don't have to worry about putting stuffing in beforehand. So you're going to line it up like you always do. Alright, and you're going to position the leg the way that you want it to be. Slowly bring it in. Make sure how you want it. And pull it down tight. Don't clip these just yet. Just pull them tight. Okay, now you're going to kind of work this back into that socket, because you're going to need that room. Alright. Now, same thing here. Pull the zip ties out. Get them started. Now legs. Insert the leg into. Get it where you want it to be. Okay, now position again the leg the way you want it to lay. Slowly tighten this as you're positioning. Make sure how you want it. Pull it tight, don't clip just yet. Stuff into that hole. There we go. This is how I have the legs laying for me. Now I'm going to put my weight beads in and stuff it with the polyfill. So, I'm going to cut some toes. I'm going to actually double line this. And tie my knot in. Okay. Then I'm going to open it up, flip it inside out. That puts that knot on the inside. And put your weight in. This is how much I'm putting in. Now, here comes one little fun part. You have to get this in here through here. So, first thing I'm going to do is on my end. Make sure that's nice and tight and secure. Computer. This is me the cord for the computer. Alright, now I'm going to get this open as much as I can. It's in Mommy's room.